music.
It looks.
Dude, take a picture.
I'm videoing it. Oh, starts pecking in your face.
It's gonna.
He just like.
Look at that. It's flawless.
I hope you take it home as your pet.
Dude,
I hope you get like.
I want to.
Bring it in the
I
car
want
with
to
you.
take
It'll
this.
fly away.
Dude, I hope you get lice.
Dude.
Dude, you gotta sanitize your hands, dude.
Believe me, I'm going in.
There's hand sanitizer.
I'll boil my hands.
Why don't you
Somebody
go?
left this bird here, though.
Oh, yeah, somebody left that bird, Greg.
No, somebody had to domesticate this bird. Like, there's no way it would be fucking this cool with me.
Be in a dumpster, not in a
Who would use
Ours
this? It was
mailbox.
It thinks you're the pigeon lady. Oh my god.
God, Greg, kiss it. Just make love to it. I'm gonna tell Elena, and I'm gonna be banging her.
This is the coolest fucking bird I've ever seen. Look at this thing. It's like, it's awesome. I can like attack. Like, I can just like stick it on people. Attack the camera.
I can't even go. Nice soundtrack.
This is amazing. What the fuck is on? What? I've never experienced this before. This is crazy.
You're not the bird.
You gotta get the band back together and play a song for this bird.
Dude, this is fucking nuts.
Oh my god.
You want to pet it? Like,
No.
pet the bird.
No,
It
get it
loves
away
it.
from me. No.
No, seriously.
No,
Just
no,
gotta
no,
be-
I really don't like
You're
birds.
showing fear. You're
I
showing-
really don't like birds.
You can't show fear.
No,
Show
I'm
love.
serious. Any animal, you can't show fear. It's gonna
I
shit on me
do.
if you don't.
It shits on you.
Pet it, man.
I'm not petting a bird.
Just pet the bird,
I'm
man.
fine.
Oh, do you know how many germs that thing has? Oh my god, it's a pigeon.
You already got, you know what? You got
It's not a
hand-aids.
pigeon.
What is it? A parrot?
It's a bird that likes to shit.
It's not a parrot. It's not a pigeon. It looks like
You found me.
It's
Oh, I was gonna shit again. His butt flared up.
No, it's wings.
Oh, his wings.
This isn't a pigeon.
what is it?
I don't know. If it's not a pigeon.
Something that lays
It's
eggs.
a love bird.
No, it looks like
Pigeon.
It's not, it looks like a pigeon, but it's not.
Why don't you get like a carry home, like, you know, food case and put the bird in it?
Yeah.
No, it's
You
not
can
a
get a
pigeon.
Chinese takeout box.
Is he like pecking your nail?
It doesn't bite though.
Oh yeah.
Meaning somebody domesticated.
Oh,
this
it
bird.
doesn't bite. I've had it for like
no, there's somebody
past 10
domesticated-
minutes.
Somebody domesticated this bird. I'm serious. Like somebody had this bird for a while. Like trained it. There's no fucking way like a bird would be like fucking all climbing on me like this. This is ridiculous, dude. It wouldn't happen. You have to have domesticated this bird. Like he wouldn't let you touch him.
You know, you're probably gonna go home and cry and masturbate after this.
Dude, this is the most.
Are you gonna
amazing
write a
thing I've
song
ever
on your didgeridoo?
seen. I don't have it.
Please play a didgeridoo for this bird.
You have to buy one just for this bird.
I'll write a song for you, but you have to play it.